Carlos Alvarado. This is week number 7 for MPA 560, and this week we'll be talking about qualitative research. Quick overview, we're going to talk about the program that we're researching, the measurements for qualitative design, 2 qualitative design for the program evaluation, and then qualitative research question, methods for qualitative research, and a reliability or validating concern, and 2 interesting things from the IRB video, and a closing statement. The program that we will be looking at is Homeboy Industry Workforce Development Program. This program is intended to provide job training for ex-gang members or people that have been previously released from prison or jail, and it's intended to do job training so they could return back to being contributing members of society. Qualitative research looks into collecting non-numerical information such as data and analyzing it to understand concepts, opinions, and experiences. And for my program evaluation, I will be looking into qualitative design on evaluating the experiences of the parolees that have gone through the workforce program and to see if their experience with the program has helped them out. 2 qualitative designs that I would use in my program evaluation is ignography and grounded theory. Ignography looks into uh, the researcher going into the participant's surroundings and observing and taking all the information and collecting data just by observing and just observing the culture and then observing the surroundings of the participant. Grounded theory looks into looking at particular phenomena or processes and then just trying to get from those processes or phenomena to try to analyze and collect data and to provide come out with new theories of from the information they collected. A qualitative research question that I would ask for my program evaluation is, did the experience at Homeboy's Industry have any impact on completion of the workforce program to help reduce recidivism? The 2 methods for qualitative research that I would use would be, the first one would be observation. So observation would be just following the participants along and seeing how their experience is with the Homeboy Industry. And the second method would be doing open-ended questions and interview and being able to get the participants fully true answer instead of just giving them a yes or no question. So with the open-ended question, it would just be able to get as much information from the participant and being able to lead to other questions. And that's what a good open-ended questions would do with the interview, for the interview. A reliability or validated concern is that because we are going trying to find based on experiences of the participants, each participant might have a different experience and they might have different um, like family support, job support. So not everyone will be able to have the same experience. And so the next time this test goes out, it might not be the same because it's not the same people. So that might not have a big impact on the reliability of this information that we get from the participants. 2 things that I found interesting from the IRB video is there's ethical standards and regulations that protect all studies, but I found it interesting more that there's extra protections for prisoners and children. I find it kind of interesting because prisoners sometimes do get things that they're thought of less than human and because they did stuff wrong that they don't have any rights. So it's kind of good that they're protected and make sure that they're just because they're in jail or in prison doesn't mean that they don't have any rights. And then the second thing is from the IRB boards that's the group that does the reviews, how mix of knowledge, experience has to be put into the board. Um, like one couldn't be a scientist, one had to know the community, and so it was pretty to make it kind of fair for everyone, and that what's kind of made it interesting that it's just not random, all five scientists. So just to make it fair for everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Good luck next week with your final paper, and we'll see you next time.